Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. For today's daily reading, guys, I'll be picking few cards. If you want more clarity about your situation, you can watch that detailed pick a card love reading I have at the end, guys, after this daily energy. So we are picking cards randomly from this deck for your situation, guys, your career, your personal life, your love. So let's see what are these cards. 3 of fire, 9 of air, and 7 of fire. So with these cards, guys, it may be in your situation, it may be in this relationship, or it may be something to do in your career situation. So you are trying to console yourself. Maybe you are facing some difficulties, maybe some difficulties in your situation today, guys, maybe in your career or personal life. So you are trying to console yourself, having that hope in future, having that hope for that bright future, belief in yourself, and you may be seeing some glimpses of success or opportunities coming in your situation today, guys, and you are consoling yourself, trying to say that everything will become all right, and you want to pat yourself, stand up for yourself, maybe in certain decisions or path that you have chosen. Maybe few people, they do not believe in you, what you have chosen for yourself, but you have that faith and confidence, grit and perseverance in your heart regarding that decision. So you are seeing that true potential of that choice today. So that may be the reason. So this choice, it may be your new love. You may have that faith and confidence in that person, or it may be something to do in your career situation. So you are extremely confident about that choice, and it may be the right choice today, guys, Aquarius. That is also what I see. So with this choice, you are going to reach your greatest potential, and whatever your heart's desires are, you are going to reach that, guys, Aquarius. So this choice may not be up to the liking of few people in your situation, maybe the people who have true concern on you, but you are making the right choice. That is what I see with these cards, guys, Aquarius. So for that detailed love reading, stay tuned for that pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, today it's going to be like a pick a card. So this is your first deck and this is your second deck. So I will be picking a few cards from each deck. So whatever questions you have in your mind about your situation, you can think about it and choose the cards. Close your eyes, think of your situation, and then open your eyes and choose the pile that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys, but these are general readings. So whatever I say, everything may not resonate for you, but a few points here and there may resonate. So you watch till the end, guys, you watch till the end of the reading. So I will pick the cards after a few seconds of silence, guys. Okay, guys, so let's start with this card first. I will keep this card aside. I'll be picking few cards, guys, from this deck randomly. So you can think about your situation, what needs clarity in your situation, so that way the reading may resonate, guys. So let's see. It is Empress in reverse, postulant of stars, and initiate of moons in reverse. So in your situation today, guys, it may be the energy, your energy towards this connection, or your person's energy towards you or this connection. So in this connection, you are quite curious. Maybe you are in that phase, you want to know more about this person. So, or you are very much attracted to them, you are interested in them, and you are just rushing in without that deep thought. Or maybe you are really young, a very young age, and you have that curiosity to jump into this connection, to understand this person right away. And you are the person who is going for those impulsive actions. So actions without deep thought. So again, that may be quite that may work against you sometimes. So this person may think you are acting without thought, impulsively, and reacting all of a sudden. And I also see that you are in this connection, maybe for that attraction, you have that attraction with them, with this person, and this may be a new connection, guys. That is the reason we see curiosity and interest in that other person, in that love, and you are having a great time with this person. So that attraction is there. It may be a physical attraction, or that new love, that attraction which is there when it is a new love. So that is what I see, guys. And maybe this person also has that reciprocating that same love towards you. So they may not be in this connection for that deep bond, guys. They are just here for that attraction or intimacy, or just they consider this connection just like a fling, maybe a pastime. So you need to be careful if you have that deep love with this person, guys. So that is what I see with these cards, guys, for those who have chosen this first card. So let's see what is coming with the second pile of cards. So this is your second pile. We'll be picking 3 cards randomly, guys. So these are the cards. So let's see what is coming with these cards. You can think of your situation, guys. It's 4 of Pentacles, 9 of Pentacles, and Wheel of Fortune. So in your situation today, for those who have chosen this card, this person you are in connection with, they are quite possessive. They are just clinging on to you. They want to control you in every way possible, and they are having their own ways of thinking. So they want to impose their ideas and views on you, and they want to take control of you and your decisions in this connection, in this love. But I also see that happiness and emotional satisfaction is there in this connection, guys, in this love. Maybe this person you are in love with, they are well settled in life, in their career, everything is going well. So they have this happiness. The same way in your personal life together, they find peace and happiness with you, and they are really happy to be in this connection with you. So that emotional satisfaction is there. But apart from this possessiveness, it may be a positive kind of possessiveness, that deep bonding that brings that kind of a relationship, or it may be their true concern. They are truly concerned about you. That may again be the reason for the way they are trying to help you out and support you in every way. So it may not be a control, it may be a form of help and support, the way they are expressing their love. But if it is a bad kind of possessiveness, you have to be careful, guys. But other than that, I see that it is destiny that is bringing this person in this life with you. So this may be a positive connection for some of you, the way it is going. So there is also love, but there may be few negatives in this relationship. We see possessiveness, or the way they are trying to control your decisions. So other than that, I see love and happiness and emotional satisfaction in this connection, guys. So that is what I see with these cards, guys, and that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.